Okay, good morning, everyone. This short video will take about a minute. It's about how to download the basic compiler I'm going to be using to write our code. I mean, the most basic of them all, QB64. QB64. So just going to Google and just select download QB64. It comes up QB64 for a Windows 10, 64-bit. It doesn't matter. For Windows 10, click on it, right? The first link, the first hit that comes up goes directly to the website. You can go there and select it. Now, if you notice, you're on the website and the first error that comes up speaks about the type of system you're downloading for. This one is for 64-bit machines. This one's for 32-bit. If you want to know which one is applicable for you, right, you can go to your file explorer, go to this PC or my PC or so on, right click in the empty area, the blank area, and go to properties. After going to properties, this dialog box comes up, basically our window comes up displaying some basic system components that you have. If you notice here on mine, it says 64-bit operating system. All right, 64-bit processor. So yours would say 32-bit. If it's 32-bit, if it's 64-bit, 64-bit, then you download the one accordingly that you need, right? So if this says 64-bit, download the 64-bit version. If it says 32-bit, download the 32-bit version. For me, 64-bit, so I download 64-bit, click download, it asks me where to save it. I'm saving it to my desktop, and I'll just change the name to caps lock QB64. All right, just change it to that. That's what I'm doing. Click select save, and I'm done. All right, so going right here now, that should be finished and on my desktop. I just shared my screen at the time. I need to reshare. So you can see my desktop. Just show my whole screen so you can see my desktop and everything. All right, so I'm here now, right? So for my computer, here is the file. It looks like a zip folder, all right, a compressed folder. So right click, and then I'd say extract all. So I'm gonna extract it right here on my desktop. So it's a user's desktop and the whole path of the folder. Just click extract. It should come up in the same 64-bit folder again, and so forth. There's a file extracting. Go and come up in a folder called 64-bit. All right. Should be extracting there now as we speak. Taking a little while, apparently this file is kind of big. All right, so let's give it a few minutes. Didn't expect it to take this long, but let's just chill on it and see. All right, so what happens when this folder is extracted? You don't need to install anything, all right? You simply would go to, because I have it here already, the one that I normally use, see 64-bit, QB64-bit, and then you open this folder, all right? What happens is that you open the folder, so you have one here already, and then you click QB64 exe. So as soon as you do that, then the program is ready to work. Print hello world. Wait, to spell world. I turn off the caps lock. Hello world. Let's say hello class. All right, and then I run, stop, oops, escape. Go to run and select start, and you're good to go. All right, you're going to take a second or so to come up. The first time you're running it, it might take a second or so to come up. And I say hello class, and it's done. All right, so let me close out of this now. I don't want to save it. Here's the one that we were extracting now. Just finished. So it's a QB64 on the folder on my desktop, right? Double click. I'll go inside this one, QB64. I scroll all the way down until I say QB64 exe. Double click that. The same looking window comes up, or a similar looking window comes up. And then you can start to write your code. All right. Oh, don't show this again. I'll just click OK. Don't matter. All right. Expand to fill the screen. Maximize. And I'll say, let us say, let's write a simple little code. All right. That's a print. Which year? Oops. Which year were you born? And say input DOB, and I put print again. Which year is it right now? Let's just say input year. And let's put age. Your age this year is going to be year minus DOB, and then I say print. Your age this year is semicolon age. Simple little code. I know this is more than what we need. As like start and run, right? Don't show this again. I don't want to do this again. All right. So we're running the file, and here what comes up now. Like magic, voila. Snap, come now. Take a little bit longer. I wonder if because I have more than one of them open. But shouldn't be. Take me a while to show up this time. I wonder why. Interesting. Anyway, you should come up in a second, but I'm not worried about that. I want to keep the video short because the video is too long. Then what might happen is that you can't send it over WhatsApp or so on. So this is the general idea of the software works. It's just a creating EXE. Don't know why it's taking so long. Well, it comes up now. Which year you're born? 1950. Year 2024. Your age is year 74. Don't know why it took so long a while ago, but one of those things. We have a lot of apps open. But that's generally how the QB64 file is downloaded, how it works. We tested it out to make sure it was working. And that was that. All right, everyone. Have a good morning.